we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already.
Yo, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Jessa back at it with another video. Alright, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get free ringtones on your iPhone. This only works on iPhone. I'm not an Android user, so I don't know about that. But I don't know. There's been a couple of videos out there that people have done it, and I've seen people do this. It's kind of how I know how to do it. So I just thought I should show you guys. So I'm doing a screen record on my phone, and I'll show you guys how to get any ringtone for free, and you can get it on your phone. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and be part of the Smithy family. You know what I'm saying? Alright, hey guys, so to do this, you're gonna need 3 apps. Where's it at? Shit, right there. So you're gonna need an app called Browser. So you go into the App Store, search up Browser, and it's gonna be Browser and Documents Manager. That's what it's called. You download it, and then you're gonna open it. Also, figure out what song you want to get on your phone. So I'm just gonna do some. Let's just do this song. So you click on it. You push the share button, the little arrow right there, and then you're gonna copy the link. Then you're gonna go into browser, and you're gonna hit that browser button. And then you're up to the search and paste it there. And when you push go, it will say download. You push download. Go to your download. Alright, so you're gonna hit. Then you're gonna go out, and then the other app is, what the hell is it called again? Media Converter, and it's gonna be the first one. So you're gonna, well, I don't know if it's the first one, but it's the little blue one, whatever. But yeah, download it. Open it up. Then you're gonna push the plus sign and import videos. And then you're gonna, I think it's this one. Find that one and push done. Like you see, I have a lot. And you're gonna find the one which is right here. You're gonna push the little icon over here on the right, the little eye, and then you're gonna push convert, and it's already on MP3. I recommend just keeping the volume at 100 because it's gonna make your audio shit. So push start conversion. If it's a longer video, it will take a bit to convert. Okay. And I think
millions in California.
Yes. So it's that one. So you want to push open in and push save to files and click on the iCloud drive. But you get out of there, and then you want to download GarageBand in the App Store. And then you want to push. There you go. You want to push the plus sign, and you want to go to audio recorder. So you don't want to go to the other instruments. Click that. Then click this. Yeah. So I want to click, it kind of looks like a wall, kind of. Click that, and it goes to here, and then turn off the little square, meaning the triangle thing. Turn that off. Then you want to go to the the loop-de-loop thing right here. Click it, and you go to Files, and browse from your file. Find the one that you have.
I might die tonight, but if I do, I'ma be okay.
No.
Millions in California are dealing with the dangers of extreme heat and rapidly spreading wildfires.
Shut up. I'm gonna get copyrighted. So you hold it, and then you can, that's how you move it down, so you can get it to where you want it. So okay, so you get it to where where you want it, and then you're gonna push this down. This is gonna be a down arrow right here at the top left. Click it, push My Songs, and it'll say save. And then you'll hold down the recent one that you did, and then these options are gonna pop up, and you're gonna click share. Then of course click ringtone, name the ringtone you want. So, or I normally just do it so I know what song it is. Little Dicky, and then of course your ringtones, and then export. And then use sound as. You can either do it your ringtone or text. I'll just change it to my text. So, to make sure it actually worked, you want to go into your sounds. See, it's there. I hope you guys liked that video. If that helped you, let me know. If you have any problems, let me know. Comment down below, and I will get back to you guys. It helps me. I mean, that's how I do it. Sometimes it's tedious, but I mean, if you really want that certain song, I hope I helped you, at least a little bit. But I love you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, be part of the Smithia family. Make sure you get your merch, because soon I will be getting mine. But I love you guys so much, so follow me on all social medias. Love you guys. Peace out.